Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Today we will discuss about the most important topic, that is PVTG. First of all, we have to know what is the meaning of PVTG, that is particularly vulnerable tribal groups. Here this concept is very important for Union Public Service Commission as well as Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. Here if you refer any previous question papers, there is a one question on PVTG. Like there is a one question on PVTG in previous years UPSC prelims 2019. I will read the question. Consider the following statements about particularly vulnerable tribal groups, that is PVTGs in India. The first one, PVTGs reside in 18 states and one union territory. A stagnant or declining population is one of the criteria for determining PVTG status. There are 95 PVTGs officially notified in the country so far. Here, fourth one, Irregular and Kondareddy tribes are included in the list of PVTGs. Here, 1, 2 and 4 are right. Why? Because third one is wrong. Why? Because there are only 75 PVTGs officially notified in the country so far. In our lesson or in our discussion, we will know the detail about this question. Let's get into it. First of all, we have to see the background of this PVTG. There are tribal communities who have declining or stagnant population, low level of literacy, pre-agriculture level of technology, and are economically backward. In our second option, we have seen that there is a stagnant population or declining population in their tribal communities. That is the main motto for PVTGs. Here, 75 such groups of tribals in 18 states and one union territory have been identified and categorized as a particularly vulnerable tribal groups. That is in third option, that is 95 states have that one, 95 groups have that one within 18 states and one union territory only. Here, most of these groups have not attained significant level of education, economic progress, and are having low health indices. For any state or for any country, the most important indices for the human development, that is their education, economy and health. These are the most important indices for any state or any country. Hence, priority is accorded for their protection and improvement in terms of social indicators like livelihood, health, nutrition and education, so as to decrease their vulnerability. That means having their population decline. Here, all the 18 state governments and union territory of Andaman Nicobar Island shall prepare a long term, that is CCD, that means conservation cum development. Very important. CCD, that means conservation cum development plan for each PVTG of their state on the basis of requirement assessed through the baseline and other specific surveys conducted by them. Let us see what are the important groups or what are the PVTGs important in Andhra Pradesh and including Telangana. Here, name of the states and union territory, name of the PVTG. The first one, Chenchu, the most important PVTG in Andhra Pradesh. Bodo Gadaba. Third one, Gutob Gadaba. Here, fourth one, Dongria Kondes. Here, fifth one, Kutia Konda. And sixth one, Kolam. And seventh one, Kondareddy. In fourth option, we have given that Kondareddy PVTG. Here, Konda Savaras. After Chenchu, Konda Savaras are the important. Here, ninth one, Bondo Porozo. Here, Kond Porozo or Parengi Porozo. Or after Chenchu and Kondareddy, Toti is the most important PVTG in Andhra Pradesh including Telangana. Here these are the 12 PVTGs residing in Andhra Pradesh including Telangana. Next one, what are the PVTGs in Bihar including Jharkhand? They are Asur, Birhor, Birjia, Hilkaria, Khorwa, Malpaharia, Parhai, Sauriya Paharia, Savar. The most important PVTG is Parharia. In Bihar, these PVTGs are very important. Once again, I will repeat it. Asur, Birhor, Birjia, Hilkaria, Korwa, Malpaharia, Parheya, Sauriya, Pahariya and Savar. These are the PVDGs in Bihar including the Jharkhand. Next one, Gujarat, Karnataka and Kerala. What are the PVDGs? What are the PVDGs in residing in a Gujarat and Karnataka and Kerala? In Gujarat, Kolga, Katodi, Kotwalia, Padhar, Siddhi. These are the 5 PVDGs residing in a Gujarat. Once again I will read it. Kolga, Katodi, Kotwalia, Padhar, Siddhi. These are the 5 PVDGs residing in a Gujarat. Here in Karnataka there are two important PVDs. They are Jenukuruba and Koraga. They are Jenukuruba and Koraga. Here, what are the PVDGs residing in a or locating in a Kerala? They are Cholanikkan, Kadar, Kattunaikan, Koraga, Kurumbas. These 5 are the important PVDGs in Kerala. Once again I will read it. Cholanikkan, Kadar, Kattunaikan, Koraga, Kurumbas. If you see the Karnataka and Kerala, there is a one mutual PVDG is there, that is Koraga. Here next one, Madhya Pradesh including Chhattisgarh. Please make correct it. Spelling mistake. Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Manipur. Here if you see the PVDGs in Madhya Pradesh including Chhattisgarh, Abuj Marias, Baiga, Baria, Birhor, Hill Korbas, Kamar, Saharia. Saharia is the most important tribe in Madhya Pradesh. Once again I will read it. Abuj Marias, Baiga, Baria, Birhol, Hill Korbas, Kamar, Saharia. These are the important PVDGs locating or residing in Madhya Pradesh. Here important PVDGs in Maharashtra, they are Kalkari, Kolam, Mariagond. These 3 are the important PVDGs in Maharashtra. Here for only one tribe in locating in Manipur, that is Marram Nagas. Marram Nagas. Here if you see the most number of after Andhra Pradesh including Telangana, in Odisha there are important or most number of PVDGs locating in Odisha. They are Chuktia, Bunjia, Birhor, Bondo, Didai, Dongriakonda, Juang, Kariya, Kutiakanda, Lanjia, Shora, Lodha, Manikirdia, Paudhi, Buhyans, Saura. These are the important PVDGs in locating in Odisha. Once again I will read it. Chuktia, Bunjia, Birhor, Bondo, Didia, Jongria Khond, Juang, Keria, Kutnia Kandwa, Lanja, Sora, Lodha, Mankirdia, Paudi Buhans, Saura. These are the PVDGs important in Odisha. Next one. What are the important PVDGs in Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh including Uttarakhand? Here if you see the important PVDG that is locating in Rajasthan, that is Saharia. Here in Tamil Nadu there are 6 important PVDGs are there, very important. Irular, that is seen in our previous question. Irular, Kattunaikan, Kota, Kurumbas, Paniyan, Toda. In our previous current affairs there is a PVD that is about Toda for face masks. Here Irular, Kattunaikan, Kota, Kurumbas, Paniyan, Toda are important PVDs locating in Tamil Nadu. Here if you see the important PVDs locating in only one, that is Tripura, that is Riyang. For Manipur, Nagas, Maram Nagas. Here if you see that in Uttar Pradesh including Uttarakhand, they are Buksa and Raji. Only 2 important PVDGs are there. They are Buksa and Raji. These are the PVDGs locating in these states. Here if you see that another 2, one state and one union territory, that is Andaman Nicobar Islands, West Bengal, Birhor, Lodha, Toto are the important PVDs locating in West Bengal. If you see the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they are very important. Great Andamanese, Jharwas, Onjas, Sentinelese, Shampoons. Here once again I will read it. Why? Because very important. Andaman Nicobar Islands tribes: Great Andamans, Jharwas, Onjas, Centellis, Shampoons. These are the important 5 PVDs locating in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Here, here only 75 officially notified PVTG, that is particularly vulnerable tribal groups, are identified by the Minister of Tribal Affairs. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, gear up for Group 1 exam.